Hello everyone, this is Mohammed, and in this video I'm going to solve task 1 of weekly challenge 77. I know it's quite late on Sunday evening, it's nearly 10 minutes to 10, but I'm still doing it because I don't want to go without a video. So let's go to task 1, which is this. The task 1 is called Fibonacci Sum. So what is it? So you are given a positive integer $n. Write a script to find out all possible combination of Fibonacci numbers required to get $n on addition. And you are not allowed to repeat a number. Print 0 if none found. So there are a couple of examples given. So if $n is 6, it should output this. If the $n is 9, it should do this. Okay, so let's get on. Start with usual stuff. ch-1.pl user bin Perl use strict use from name. So for this task I'm expecting a positive number, so let's call it $n, the only parameter. So I'm going to say $, and let's give a default to one of the examples. So example is 6, so I'm going to use that as my default. So use 6 as my default. Yeah, or yeah, and I'm just going to do basic test parameter testing. So I could say die error invalid number $n unless $n is greater than 0. Has to be positive. Yep. Now what am I supposed to do? So I need to first I need to figure out, I need to generate the Fibonacci series. Yeah, so for that I need to do something like this. Sub so I'm going to do Fibonacci series up to the given number. So and the number is gonna be, let's call it $num. Okay, so placeholder for my Fibonacci gonna be 1,1. As we all know, the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series is 1 and 1. And then I need to create a series up to the given number. So it's gonna be, what I'm doing, the sum of the last two digits. So if it is Fibonacci minus 1 is the last number, plus second last, the sum of these two is less than or equal to the given number. Carry on to that. So if that's the case, so I'm going to push this number to my Fibonacci add list. So I'm just going to copy this then once you're done, just return the reference to the list. So that gives me Fibonacci series up to the given number. Next thing what I want to do is I need to figure out the sum, which I need to figure out the different combination from the series which gives the same result as $n on addition. So I'm going to create a method called, let's call it I'm going to call it Fibonacci Sum. Let's call it Fibonacci Sum. And what do I need to pass in? I need to pass in the series, which is going to be, let's call it Fibonacci, and here is my sum to match up. Not this one. So yeah, to find the different combinations, so I'm going to rely on my usual friend algorithm, combinatorics, and the method called combination. Yeah. Let's create a placeholder to hold the sum, Fibonacci sum. Fibonacci sum. And I need to create a combination with it. First I need to check if any of the individual numbers is same as the given number. So that would be one of my answer. And then I'm going to see if the pair of two numbers give me the result. Then combination of three numbers, combination of four numbers, and so on up to the given number. So I'm going to carry on like that. So it's going to be for each my $I. So start with $1 dollar sum. Yeah. And then I'm going to do for each my $com is given combinations. So that the combination is going to be generated by the method called combinations. So it's not combination, it's combinations. So combinations given the list Fibonacci and how many in the list. So one at it now. So for starting with the 1, then 2, then that's how the combination is created. Yeah. Now I need to find out the sum. So let's call it sum 0 and dollar sum is going to be for this, and I'm going to push that combination if the sum is the given sum. So it's going to be Fibonacci sum is going to be dollar combination, where the combination is if dollar sum is same as the given. one thing I have to be careful that I should not go further, should stop it here if my $I is, the combination I'm talking about is greater than the list of my Fibonacci. Shouldn't go big, because if you have, say in the series you have only 5 numbers and the sum says 20, you don't want to go through 20 times because you only have 5 numbers in the list. So that's very important. Fibonacci. So that's the catch here, and once you're done, just return the Fibonacci sum. That's it. Fibonacci sum. So this gives me the end result. So I'm going to create a simple handy method called P, which will display the result. Handy. So this, I'm expecting a sum. And what this is going to do is simply print all the list and the Fibonacci sum. Print printf %s $n /n. It's going to be join underscore. And now it's time to call the method. So it'll be first we have to generate the list, which is this. So generate the list first, series. And then that get passed to Fibonacci sum. So it's going to be this $sum. Excuse me. And then final result get passed to P. Yeah. Let's see how many typos I've got here. Line number 35. Okay, so screw by mistake. Line number 12. Okay, it's not $num, it's $n, capital. Why is doing twice? 4, 6. something is not right. Let me put some debug here. I want to first see what do I. So let's use usual data dumper. So I'm going to say print dumper. I know what is wrong. So because the task says you should not have a duplicate, so I should just ignore this one, and then I should take 1 and 2 as my first two numbers in the series. So instead of having those two, that's what's causing trouble. So okay, let me see. Perfect. That was the problem. So we can get rid of the debug here. And then the second example was 9, 18135 and 15125. Let me check those two. 1235151815. Perfect. So that solved the task 1, quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video, and if you do like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.